Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock WhatsApp chats. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, when you go ahead and swipe down, all right, aggressively swipe down, you'll be able to see lock chats right here. Now, let's say, for example, you've set the settings where you hide or hidden the lock chats feature in this section. So how do we fix that? Just make sure that you remember the secret code. Okay, so I remembered mine. I can go ahead and ask Meta AI right here, tap on the search box and just type down the secret code. So mine is set to secret. So I have here lock chats. I'm just going to tap on it. And then once done, tap on the three dots and then you'll be able to see a chat lock settings. Okay, you just tap on it and choose to unhide the lock chats or just hide it. All right, so go back. Here we have the lock chat. Go ahead and find the chat, tap and hold, and then you'll be able to see a three dots right here at the very top. Just tap on it, and there will be an option to unlock the chat. Now, let's say, for example, okay, you forgot your code, you can't remember it, so how do we fix it? I'll just go ahead and go back, go to settings right here, tap on three dots, settings, and then once you're in the settings section, just tap on privacy, and then scroll down, find chat lock. Just unlock and clear lock chats. Okay, it says here if you forgot your secret code. Tap on it. This will clear all messages, photos, and videos in lock chats. Keep that in mind. Unlock. Enter your PIN. Okay. Go back. And you should now be able to see it right here. That's how simple it is to unlock WhatsApp chats. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.